We are all familiar with the term of pollution. When we hear it often on the news or even witness it firsthand here in relations. From factories burning natural resources to even you living in your own home. There are many ways that we pollute the environment without even realizing it. To most understand that pollution is bad for the environment, most are ignorant of the true extent of the damage caused by it. In this video, we would like to expose the devastating effect that the pollution has on our planet and the ways that we can prevent it through the use of acted out senses and real life examples.
Kenapa plastik bag kesian?
Dia memang dia lebih sakit tu. Siap.
Let's take a short break.
Okay, can I get some water from the vending machine?
Okay, sure. Jadi tu after aircon boleh lah.
What you just witnessed was ways in which any regular person could pollute the environment unintentionally. Though it may seem small and insignificant, the fact is that many do the same. How do they, you ask? Well, using one-use plastic bags or mineral bottles are damaging due to the fact that they may take thousands of years to decompose or are incinerated, producing toxic fuels. Leaving the tap on or the AC will lead to the wastage of water, electricity, with both of them leading to a higher emission of greenhouse gases. Bring your own reusable bag while shopping. Close your tab if you're not using it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks.
Bring your own water bottle. Turn off your AC when you are not in the room, or turn on your fan. If all this is put into practice, you will be able to reduce your wastage and carbon footprint. However, there are some pollutants that are completely out of a person's control. This would be events such as oil spills that occur in the ocean, ongoing conflicts in other countries, the rapid industrialization of developing countries due to the increased demand for our ever-expanding population. Take China and India for example, which suffers from poor air quality due to an increase in factories and open burning, as well as water pollution from chemical and general waste disposal such as sewage. This had led to a decline in the overall health of the citizens that live in the affected areas. It's not as if any of these acts were done with the malicious intent to hurt the environment, but instead a direct consequences of human desire and selfishness. Which leads to the question of, why do we pollute in the first place?
Though some cultures encourage their believers to be one with nature, such as Islam and Taoism, it is not until recently that the issue of pollution has been brought up to be one of the major issues that our planet faces. This is mostly due to the consequences of environmental damage only occurring over long periods of time and the lack of knowledge of ecology in the past.
But even now, with all this access to information about climate change and the evidence that it's indeed happening to our planet, there are still those that choose to take part in activities that pollute the environment. This is mostly down to the fact that humans are logical, as Aristotle stated, with some trying to find the most efficient and cost-effective ways to earn profit, which usually leads to the employment of non-environmental methodology such as burning of natural resources for power. Furthermore, psychologically, people would want to use the most convenient option available, such as throwing garbage indiscriminately instead of trying to find the nearest bin. There are also sociological factors where if a community normalizes acts that pollute the environment, they would continue to do so, and ideologies such as anthropocentrism that believes that humanity is superior to nature, that leads to the negative attitude towards the preservation of the environment.
With this understanding of why people pollute, we can employ ways to try to counter environmental damage and also encourage a positive attitude towards it. Examples would be adding hefty fines to those that are caught littering or dumping garbage, providing alternative options to businesses that are greener, with added benefits such as lower tax rates, recycling waste to be reused, and the further development of green energy. Lastly, there also could be campaigns that educate people about the positives of a healthy ecosystem, utilizing the ideology Sujatra to promote a harmonious relationship with nature.
Now that you are well informed of both the issues of pollution and the solution to prevent it, we hope that you will be able to inform others about the effects and try to reduce your own carbon footprint using the methods that we have shared. Thank you for watching our video.